just...
Oh, yeah!
Die.
No way I'm dying till I've held some boobs.
Seriously? Foolish reason.
Everyone's serious about this, but you. You all just gotta talk smack about what I want, huh? It's revenge this. Protect my family that. Save my stupid kitty. Blah, blah, blah. Think your big fancy ass goals make all of you hot shit? Then prove it! We'll have a dream battle royale right now! If I murderize you, this'll be settled! Touching titties will be the better dream!
Oh. She can fight so fiercely.